Hello, I'm Mr. Conductor, and I'm going to tell you a story about trains, folks far apart, and the magic railroad that brought them together. Meet Thomas. This is the island of Sodor, where Thomas and his friends live. It's at one end of my special universe.
It's Thomas the Tank Engine, hip 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 hooray. Chugga chugga chuff 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 chuff, he rides along the way. And when you hear that whistle, it can only be one train. Our favorite little engine, Thomas is his name. Thomas the Tank Engine's running along. All of his friends will be coming along. Thomas, we love you. Thomas, we love you. Thomas, we love you.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Who do we appreciate? Practicing your numbers, Gordon. That's a good engine.
I'm counting how many seconds late you are, little Thomas. What does that sign say?
Sodor Railway. Really reliable and right on time. Signed head of the railway. Set up on hats.
You mean the Fats controller?
That's what we sometimes call him. But this sign doesn't. Oh, and also says, sorry for delays during repairs. We're making this a better railway. Anyway, please excuse me. I have to meet Mr. Conductor. He's looking after us while the Fat Controller is on his much-needed holiday.
I think we can take care of ourselves. What was that?
That is a problem. He arrived today. I call him Diesel 10. 10 out of 10 for being a big bully. The Fat Controller sent him here to help us, but Diesel is behaving as if he hates us. We'll all have to be careful.
Well, maybe we do need Mr. Conductor here after all. On time.
At the other end of my universe, far away across oceans of time, up and over Muffle Mountain and hidden deep in a valley, is my hometown, Shining Time.
Every now and then there appears a sign that points us round the bend to a place you'll find covered in clover. The magic comes over you, showing up right on time. This is your shining time. Climbing through stars to your own cloud nine. Soft strokes of lightning paint the skies brightening upon your shining time.
This is where Burnett's granddaughter, Lily, comes into our story. She lives with her mom and dad in the big city, a few hours train ride from Shining Time. She sees magic no one else has time to, like lovely reflections of light on a rainy day. Soon, she was off to stay with her grandpa on Muffle Mountain.
Grandpa's been so sad since Grandma Tasha died, and he never comes here to see us.
Well, maybe your visit will cheer him up, Did you get his present?
Here. I'm making him a friendship bracelet,
Honey, that's beautiful.
but I'd rather just stay here with you.
I know. Come here.
I'm gonna go up this way.
Okay. Be careful.
You always say that.
See you in a minute.
You're coming with me to Grandpa's Bluebird. I know how much you like to travel.